Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Harmony Cove project. Now this is a project to build a massive hotel in Trelawney. It's going to be on over 200 acres and it's going to involve a hotel and a casino, a golf course, a mega development. Now this is one of a few billion-dollar investments, US billion-dollar investments in the hotel sector in Jamaica. So the government is working on a special tax package for these billion-dollar investments. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening with this development. After nearly 2 decades of delays and anticipation, the long-envisioned Harmony Cove tourism project in Trelawney, Jamaica is finally moving towards realization. With the recent passage of the Income Tax Relief, Large-Scale Projects and Pioneer Industries Act by the Jamaican Senate, the groundwork has been laid not just for Harmony Cove, but for a new era of large-scale investment in the island's tourism sector. Harmony Cove was first conceptualized in the early 2000s as a luxury integrated resort development that would elevate Jamaica's global profile in high-end tourism. However, despite strong interest and ambitious plans, the project struggled for years to secure the necessary financial and legislative support. Bureaucratic, financial and bureaucratic hurdles, shifting economic conditions, and policy uncertainty contributed to nearly 20 years of stagnation. The recent passage of the tax relief bill has now unlocked a critical barrier, setting the stage for groundbreaking in July 2025. One of the most compelling aspects of the Harmony Cove development is the potential to create 4,000 jobs, many of which will pay significantly more than current averages in Jamaica's tourism sector. This influx of high-paying employment opportunities could dramatically upshift the Trelawney region, helping to reduce unemployment and drive local economic growth. In a country where tourism contributes substantially to GDP and employment, the scale of Harmony Cove offers a powerful boost. Moreover, the US $1 billion investment signals confidence from international partners including the Tavistock Group, Nexus Luxury Collection, and celebrities such as Tiger Woods and Justin Timberlake, both of whom are contributing to the project's golf and entertainment facilities respectively. Harmony Cove is not just another resort, it is positioned to become a transformational tourism hub. The plan includes a 25-story hotel with 1,000 luxury rooms, a 32,000 square foot full-service casino, a rare amenity in the Caribbean, an 18-hole championship golf course designed by Tiger Woods, a music and entertainment complex developed by Justin Timberlake, beachfront and marine activities, pools, and event spaces tailored to both families and high-end clientele. This level of integrated development could shift the perception of Jamaican tourism from primarily all-inclusive beach vacations to a diverse, high-end, multi-experience destination. The Senate's approval of the Income Tax Relief Act represents a landmark moment for Jamaican development policy and specifically for the long-anticipated Harmony Cove Resort. After nearly 20 years on the drawing board, the project now appears to be on the verge of becoming a reality. If executed effectively, Harmony Cove could redefine Jamaica's tourism landscape, uplift local communities, and catalyze a new wave of investment. For a nation rich in culture, talent, and natural beauty, this could be a defining moment of progress and transformation. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So they have a groundbreaking for July 2025. That is great news. Jamaica needs more of these large-scale hotels because the tourism industry in Jamaica is growing. And these high-end luxury developments, luxury rooms, seems to be the way that the tourism market is going. So this is great. We will definitely keep you guys updated on this project, and we'll keep you updated on the July 2025 groundbreaking. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Have a good day.